The 2025 China International Commercial Vehicles Show held on November 10 witnessed a significant moment. Dongfeng Light Vehicle officially launched its high-end brand, Dongfeng Qiankun, simultaneously unveiling two remarkable new products: the Dongfeng Qiankun K6 cold chain truck and the Dongfeng Dolica King's return. Dongfeng Qiankun is the culmination of Dongfeng Motor Corporation's 56 years of automotive manufacturing experience. Its name derives from the philosophical wisdom of heaven's movement is powerful, and earth's state is receptive in the Book of Changes, and it has a dual mission: to aim for ultimate efficiency, as heaven's movement is powerful, and to fulfill users' trust, as earth's state is receptive. Focusing on the trillion-dollar cold chain and green channel transportation sectors, the brand directly addresses issues such as lack of time and high driver fatigue in fresh food transportation, ensuring that food reaches the world quickly and drivers can comfortably enjoy their journeys. The new brand's first new vehicle, the Dongfeng Qiankun K6, boasts impressive features. Equipped with a fuel-efficient Cummins Stage 4 engine and a 2,000 bar ultra-high-pressure common rail system, it saves at least 5,400 yuan in annual fuel costs. A 192mm straight-through high-strength steel chassis and a fast transmission ensure both high load capacity and high speeds. Most impressively, it features a human-centric design philosophy: a 2.1-meter ultra-wide cabin, air suspension seats, a 10-inch smart display, and even a built-in AED and oxygen concentrator allow drivers to live in a mobile first-class cabin. Good food, good sleep, and complete safety. At the press conference, the Dongfeng Dolica made a spectacular comeback. The combined fuel consumption of the vehicle, equipped with a Nissan Global engine, has been reduced by 12%, saving 1.4 liters per 100 kilometers. 4 noise reduction technologies and a highly efficient sound insulation design transform urban delivery into a quiet room, eliminating noise-related headaches. The two new models, priced between 81,100 and 39,500 yuan, come with 5 key advantage packages, including financial incentives and fuel-saving offers, demonstrating Dongfeng's commitment to customer satisfaction. Dongfeng Light Vehicle's goals extend far beyond this. By 2030, the penetration rate of new energy vehicles at Dongfeng Light Vehicles will exceed 60%. Powered by 3 core technologies: the Qiankun Intelligent Chassis, the independently developed high-efficiency electric drive system, and the independently developed DEA architecture, the vehicles move directly from meeting needs to defining value.